What if the greatest loss in life is not money but values? In this verse, Arjuna explains one of the terrible consequences of war. He says that when a family is destroyed, its timeless tradition, values, and righteous duties are also lost. When these family principles disappear, unrighteousness begins to dominate the entire family. As a result, moral values decline, discipline weakens, and society gradually falls into disorder. A family true greatness is not found in its wealth, it's found in its values. The greatest inheritance parents can give their children is not money but good values, noble character, and the path of righteousness. That is why the Bhagavad Gita teaches us this timeless truth. Protect Dharma, and Dharma will protect you.